Good morning, everyone, and happy Tuesday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, covering everything you need to know before the market opens. We have a lot of exciting information to cover this morning, starting out with earnings reports, moving on to our biggest gainers and losers, plus stock market news. So here we go. First off, U.S. stock futures took a little bit of a breather today as all three major indices finished firmly in the green on Monday. Earlier this morning, the Dow futures were down about 0.35%, the S&P about 0.5%, and the NASDAQ down about 0.6%. Now for earnings reports, we have a bunch of big ones to follow up on from yesterday, plus some notable ones occurring today. Yesterday, we had the Workhorse group who surprised analysts with their latest results. The company reported net income of $280.5 million in the fourth quarter compared to $655,000 in the prior year period. Analysts, however, were anticipating a net loss of $15.1 million. Despite this, their fourth quarter sales were significantly behind analyst estimates. So they had closed the day up about 7%, but are now down about 1.4% in the pre-market, trading around $17.09. One other earnings report from yesterday was from NIO. The Chinese electric vehicle maker reported a larger fourth quarter loss than analysts had forecasted, and their monthly EV deliveries fell in February on a month-on-month basis. So they incurred an adjusted loss per share of 14 cents, which was wider than the analyst estimate of a loss of 7 cents. Their revenues in the fourth quarter surged 133% to $1.02 billion. Currently in the pre-market, NIO shares are down about 5%, trading around $47.29. One company that had a great earnings report was Zoom Video Communications. Zoom's adjusted earnings of $1.22 per share jumped 713% year over year and handedly surpassed analyst expectations of 79 cents per share. Their revenues also beat analyst expectations and increased 369% from the year-ago quarter. On top of this, they issued better-than-expected guidance for the first quarter and full year of 2022. This positive news caused the Zoom stock to close over 9.5% up yesterday, and so far in the pre-market, they're up over 7%, trading at nearly $440 per share. Now, one more company who we just heard from this morning on their earnings report, and that is Target. Target saw their net income rise 66% and their revenue rise 21%. In fact, their 2020 sales grew by $15 billion. They credit this latest quarter to a strong holiday season and stimulus checks. So far in the pre-market, Target is up just 0.22%, trading at about $186.50. Now, Target did decline to provide a forecast for the year ahead, saying that the pandemic continues to make it too difficult to predict consumer patterns. Other earnings reports expected in the pre-market are AutoZone and Kohl's. And in the after hours, we're expecting reports from Hewlett-Packard, Ross Stores, and Nordstrom. Now jumping to our biggest gainers and losers so far in the pre-market, our most actively traded stock is Conformis, who had just announced that their patient-specific total knee replacement system has been cleared by the Australian Department of Health. This caused higher than average volume and some nice pre-market gains. Other big movers include communication systems under JCS, up about 39% in the pre-market, Great Elm Group under GEG, up about 36% in the pre-market, and Strata Skin Sciences under SSKN, up about 30% pre-market. Some of our biggest pre-market losers include Fibrogen under FGEN, who's down about 25%, Inseego Corp, INSG, down about 16%, and Red Hill Biopharma, down about 13%. Now jumping into other stock market news. We'll start off with another Chinese EV maker, and that is Xpeng. Trading under XPEV, their stock is down about 4.3% in the pre-market after reporting that their EV deliveries in February plunged to 2,223 due to their week-long Chinese New Year holiday. That is compared to their record of 6,015 EVs back in January. Now, they did say that the February deliveries reflect the anticipated seasonal decline in deliveries, and that the company is witnessing robust customer demand as sales and delivery activities resumed after the holiday. So hopefully see a strong rebound in delivery numbers for them next month. Now, moving to merger and acquisition news, we turn to Roku. And they're looking to start the day on a positive note after announcing that they've agreed to buy Nielsen's Advanced Video Advertising, or AVA, business for an undisclosed fee. Roku intends to integrate Nielsen's ad and content measurement product, Total Ad Ratings, or TAR, into its platform. Commenting on the deal, Roku's VP of Product Management said, "Combining Nielsen's AVA technology with Roku's innovative ad tech and scale will enable us to deliver the benefits of TV streaming advertising to traditional TV." In vaccine news, Johnson & Johnson's recently approved vaccine was shipped out yesterday for a total of about 4 million doses, and some of those could begin being administered as early as today. And in stimulus package news here in the US, the $1.9 trillion package is expected to be taken up by the Senate this week. So that is Tuesday's pre-market update. We are here Monday through Friday before the bell opens. So make sure you hit subscribe and turn on those notifications too so that you stay up to date. Make sure to leave your thoughts in the comments and what you're looking at in the market today, and we will see you back here tomorrow.